Oh, hello guys, welcome to my new video. In my last video we have covered how we can connect our MongoDB database with our Node.js servers. For that we have used our local host IP address and MongoDB port number, right? So that we can connect with our local database. Okay, so in this video, before starting with CRUD operation, okay, some database operation, we have to learn something about framework. So in Node.js, some frameworks are there, and first we'll learn what is framework actually. So let me explain it. So what is framework in Node.js available? So let's start, guys. So guys, before we start with CRUD operation, we have to learn about framework of Node.js. So what is framework? What is the meaning of framework? We have to learn first. So for that I have noted some points here. So I'm going to explain them. So what is Node.js framework? Node.js framework is a collection of library. Okay, so it's a collection of library. It's very easy to understand, right? So a collection of library and tools that provide structure and set of conventions for building application using Node.js. So it's provide structure and set of convention to build a web application, right? Or application, or any kind of application, right? It helps to simplify and streamline the development process. Guys, framework is something which helps to develop the application in less code. Okay, for that it uses library and tools. Okay, so development process can be easier by using framework, and because it provides set of predefined pre-built component. It actually framework provide pre-built component. Another thing is functionality that can be easily integrated into your application. So there is no you shouldn't have any doubt, because it's very simple language I have used, right? So this is the proper definition of what is the framework, and why we use framework. Okay, so in simple word, if I would like to explain, if framework means collection of library and tools that helps us to build web application or any application, right? It simplifies the coding and streamline the development process. It's provided pre-built set of pre-built components and functionality, easily integrated, okay, into your application. So yeah, this is called framework. Okay, this is proper definition of framework, and there are some benefits of framework. We will just see them as well. We're not going into the deep down. You can make a note of this, because what is framework. Interviewer always ask what is framework and type of framework as well. So we'll see as those things as well, so in this video. So now we are going to learn what are the benefits of using Node.js framework, right? So yes, in every programming language, there is at least n numbers of frameworks available, because we want to simplify the coding, right? For that, framework provide libraries and set of pre-built components. So that's why in every language you can see the framework thing is already present there also. So in every language you will get framework, which is a library. You have to use them, and you can use to simplify your code, right? So this is the uses of framework. And what is the benefits of framework? It's uses for faster development, right, guys? So because of pre-built component, it's provide pre-built component and functionality. So it's easy, it makes us easy to integrate those component, okay, and libraries, so that our development will be faster, because you don't have to write the code from scratch, right? So it will provide the code by using a framework, by using the library. Okay, so in that library that code will exist, and you have to just pull them, or you have to just use them, right? So this is the way we can develop faster our application. So that this is the main purpose of framework. This is the benefit of framework, using framework, right? So it's reduce the amount of time. So when we are using library, everything is there, right? So we don't have to write the code from scratch, so it's automatically reduce your timing. Okay, so timing of development, so there will be less effort. Okay, so you can note this in your copy, so that if you interviewer ask this question, you can explain these things, right? So I'll suggest to keep a notebook for that. Okay, so yeah, another thing is, you can pause the video and you can take the screenshot, or you can learn, you can just write this point from here. Okay, and the second thing is consistency. So it's simply, the consistency means provide a set of convention and standard that can help to ensure consistency, right? Or consistency means continuity, you can say. Okay, so your code base, across your code base, making it easier to maintain and debug your application. So the maintenance and debug will be easily okay, will be easier actually. Okay, so we have to maintain the consistency. So provide a set of convention and standards. Okay, so standards we have to follow those standards. And the third thing is scalability. So Node.js framework are designed to be scalable. So yeah, Node.js framework already designed that type that it can already scale. It is already scalable. Scalable means, guys, allowing your application to handle increased traffic and workload as your business grows. So guys, from the beginning, when we start development, our application will be smaller, but by using by the time while our business is growing, our application is also getting bigger, right? So in that case, scalability matters. So it will handle the traffic. So if your application is getting popular, then the traffic will automatically increase, and when the traffic will increase, your scalability, the application scalability matters. So that time it will this is if you are using Node.js, it's your application will highly scalable automatically, because Node.js already built that kind of thing. Yeah, already maintain the scalability, right? So that's why this is the benefit of framework, because it's also maintain the scalability of the application. So it will handle the large traffic and workload as the business grows. So I hope you're getting this point. And the fourth thing is, which is very important, security. Node.js frameworks typically provide security features such as authentication, authorization, input validation. So these are the common and very important security features we are providing with Node.js, which is not only Node.js actually, in every server-side technology, but in Node.js it's providing by framework. So framework provide all these things like authentication, authorization, input validation. Okay, so this is the benefit of using framework in Node.js. So it's protect your application and data from security vulnerability, right? So it will protect your framework, will protect your application from the security vulnerability, right? So we have another point as well, community support. Guys, believe me, Node.js from framework has, such as Express.js and others, have huge community. Community. If you are stuck in somewhere, you can just search in Google and you will get the result. You will get the solution very easily. Okay, so this is the power of community, active community. So there is a in Node.js framework have large and active community of developers who can contribute to the framework. So provide support and share knowledge and best practice. So guys, having a large community is another benefit of framework or Node.js, because whenever we search in Google, I search in Google and I got the solution very easily within one and two search, within one and two web pages in Stack Overflow and other web pages, right? So this is the power of large and active community. So having a large and active communities is the benefit, one of the major benefit of framework or Node.js framework. Okay, so these are the some 5 points in which we know that we got to know the benefits of Node.js framework, right? So now we will learn what are the frameworks available for the Node.js. So guys, we have completed the we know now that what is Node.js framework, right? So uh, right now we are going to learn how many types of frameworks are there in market, okay, for Node.js. So let's see. So we went through the benefits of framework. Right now we will list down the type of framework according to the popularity. Okay, so Node.js frameworks are very popular actually. So the very first framework which we will learn is Express.js. So Node.js, in Node.js, uh, the most popular framework is Express.js actually. So I'm also using Express.js. Okay, so as a developer you can also use Express.js because it's very popular. Okay, so another thing, you can take the notes here, or notes from here, right, in your notebook. So I'm not going to read these all things. Okay, these are not necessary as well. So Express.js is the popular framework, as I said. Another one is Nest.js. So guys, interviewer ask the question, please tell me, if you're a fresher, okay, please tell me the frameworks are available in Node.js. So that time you have to tell them that I have worked in Express.js, but I know some of the frameworks are Nest.js. Okay, Nest.js is another framework. Happy.js is another framework of Node.js, and Koa.js is also there. Meteor.js is also there, Sales.js is also there, okay, Adonis.js is also there, Lookback is also there, okay, Feathers is also there, and Total.js is also there. These are the 10 popular Node.js framework. So we are not going to use, you don't have to learn all these things, you just have to learn, you have to know only one framework from this. So from this list only Express.js is very much popular now these days, okay, and the community support is also there. So no worry, we are going to learn Node Express.js as well. And Nest.js is, one of my friend is working with Nest.js, and one of my friend working with Lookback. So yeah, Express.js is most popular, and these are the all about framework of Node.js. So I hope you get some ideas about what are the framework, what are the benefit of framework of Node.js, and what are the type of framework available in market to use with Node.js. So we are going to learn Express.js to perform the to create a web application, right, to perform all kind of CRUD operation, and to perform input output operation. We are going to use Express.js framework. So Express.js is nothing but it will provide a library. So for that we have to install Express.js in our application. For that, let me tell you how we can install Express.js. So guys, we have to type on Google, okay, only type npm express and we will get this Express. Then open this one. So guys, to install Express.js we have to type only npm install I for install Express, also npm install Express, and the weekly download, you can see this is huge actually. So Express.js framework is very popular, right? So this is the another framework we just have learned, Express.js and Nest.js, right? So I just search here Express.js, npm I Express is there, and the weekly download is something like that, okay. And in the another framework is Nest.js, right, this one only. So I have searched it here, npm I Nest.js/core. So this is the download, weekly download. You can see Express.js having the largest download in every week. So Nest.js is also popular, but not that much downloads are available, but yeah, it's also popular. Nest.js is also popular. So these are the things actually. So this is our project. We are going to install Express.js in our project. For that we have to see the package.json file right here only. So here we can see the independency MongoDB is there only, and right now we are looking for Express.js. So for that, this is our project site, okay. So just type cmd here, install npm, just type command npm install Express, okay, then enter. Let's see what will happen. So yeah, 0 vulnerabilities and 7 packages are looking for fun. So this is, you have to ignore this one, no worry. 52 packages, so libraries, packages, right? So added 57 packages, audited 70%. So npm Express already installed in our application. Let's check it's installed or not. You can see, yeah, Express is there, Express 4.1.18 the version. So our framework has been installed in our Node.js application. Now we can use this framework to develop our application, right? So in Node.js we need a framework to simplify the things. So for that we are using Express.js. We just installed Express.js and we are going to use according to the Express.js code. So we will learn now we will learn Node.js with the framework Express.js, right? So in maximum company Express.js are using is using actually, okay. So Express.js only use not only Express.js has been used in most of the company. So yeah, this is the video guys, and follow my channel, follow my playlist to learn Node.js in simple and easy way. And if you want some real-time experience, if you want to get a job, you should go through these videos only, so that you will get real-time experience and you will get real-time job as well. So yeah, knowledge is must. Keep learning, keep exploring, and if you have knowledge, you have job, you will get job very easily guys. So I'm going to end this video here only, and in our next video we are going to learn how we can use the Express library or framework in our Node.js application. So we will do these things again with our Express.js, okay. So thank you guys.